Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. Okay, so we're going to be doing a little bit of deep cleaning on top of the stove, so come on with me guys. So I'm using the pink stuff, and this is the paste. And so what I'm gonna do, because my stove is constantly being used and I hate those stains on top of the stove, we're going to go ahead and apply this paste, and I'm just gonna leave it sit there for about 15 minutes and then we'll come back and clean it. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to thank you and tell you how much I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Now, I'm going to go ahead and finish applying this. We're going to leave it sit 15 minutes and then I'll come back. So I'm going to leave you to some music. Now let's see how hard I have to work at getting the stovetop clean using this product. Now this is not a sponsored video. This is something that I purchased with my own money and I wanted to go ahead and try this, but if the company did contact me, I would do a review. Now, I will say this, it got most of it up. For the most part, it looks a lot better than it did. And I did have to scrub a little bit. So maybe I need to leave this on there a little bit longer than 15 minutes and then come back and clean it. But overall, I think I give it a 9. Now, because I was cleaning the back of the stove and then just like right above it, I decided to go ahead and get the pink multi-purpose cleaner just to like shine it right up with some paper towels. And so that's what we're gonna get ready to do. All right, so I'm almost done here. Let's head on over to the reveal, guys. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy showing you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.